Hey everyone, here's another example from section 3.3. Wants us to find the derivative of this function, y equals x to the 9/4 plus e to the negative 2x. So I just want to bring you back and remind you that e to the u power, when you take the derivative of e to the u power, you're going to get e to the u times u prime. So we take the original function, write it, and multiply it times the derivative of what u is. So just a reminder that this is how this works. An example of this would be e to the, let's just say e to the 2x. That's going to be e to the 2x times 2, because the derivative of 2x is 2. So that's how we get 2 there, 2e to the 2x. So this is just a reminder of this rule, that if you have e to the u, that's going to equal, and you're taking the derivative of it, that'll equal e to the u times the derivative of what u is. So let's come back here and let's write this as, we're going to take the derivative of y with respect to x, and we're doing that for this function, which is x to the 9/4 plus e to the negative 2x. And I know because of the addition that I can use the sum rule, so I can say that dy over dx of x to the 9/4 plus dy over dx of this function, which is e to the negative 2x. So I can find these separately. So then I can say the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to, let's take the derivative of this, which is, let's see, that'll bring the 9/4 out front. So 9/4 comes out front for this. So I have 9/4 times x to the, I need to take 9/4 and subtract it. So really I'm going to write this at, I need to subtract 1 from it. So I'm going to write this as 9/4 minus, well, what's 1 with the 4 denominator? That's actually minus 4/4. And then I'm going to add that to the derivative of this function, which is going to be, remember, I take e to the negative 2x and I write it. And then I take the derivative of negative 2x. Well, that's just times, right, coming back to this, times negative 2, because the derivative of negative 2x is negative 2. So that's going to give me 9/4 times x, when I subtract that, that's to the 5/4, plus, well, not plus because of the negative, so that's going to be actually minus 2e to the negative 2x. And that's the derivative of this function.